Hi, in this short clip, I'm going to be talking about expectations for data science and how they don't meet the reality of optimizing machine learning algorithms. Most people spend too much time on plumbing and not on ML optimization. This complicated slide might look familiar. As you can see on the left, we have many data sources, 3 different teams, engineers, scientists, developers, and in the end, visualization tools, triggers, actions. This is just a snapshot of the complexity. Let's keep going. We want to make this efficient, and we need to increase the speed and the scalability of data processing. We want to use serverless for efficiency, and we want to orchestrate it on any open environment, hopefully one that is Kubernetes based. Iguazio has developed a new approach, a single unified open platform as a service or PaaS that allows us to take all forms of data sources that now work within an existing open environment, analyze, test, and deploy at scale, and then visualize and monitor for action. If this challenge is familiar to you, we might be able to assist. We'd be happy to tell you more about our work with Iguazio's customers, with case studies and use cases that might be able to help you. We can set you up with a free trial. So just reach out to us or send us a message through the website.